Bobby here at the NEX-GEN lab. Show you how we do the soldering here on the antenna studs. Can zoom in any more just because of the angle and everything else I have going on here. Fan's going on for safety. I'm not taking that off. And putting on the antenna studs goes a little something like this. A little solder on iron. Get that first pad warmed up. It's very important. And the first pad actually warms the board up, and it's a similar effect to a reflow actually, which is kind of cool. If you're not familiar with reflowing, that's a whole different video for a whole nother different segment. Anyways, once the board gets to the right temperature, boom, we're flowing. That's one. Now the board's warmed up, you'll see that this will flow immediately. Two. 3, 4, and the main, positive. Done. That's it. Just that quick when it's done right. See, the board's all been prepared. All of that flux you see on here will be taken off, by the way. That's going to be removed. The next step, we're going to put the OLED screen in. These are for rugged spots. And then we will clean all the flux off the bottom and all the flux off of where we're going to solder in the actual OLEDs. Bobby here, KM6IKH, at the NEX-GEN Labs, home of the famous rugged spot, commander spot, XD4, and covert. HamRadio1.com. 73, signing out.